So here is another. Amazon was founded in 1995 by Jeff Bezos and became one of the first major companies to sell goods over the internet or on internet. So starting out as solely on online bookstore, Amazon has become the largest online retailer in the world. It is divided into several independent organizations like Amazon Europe, Amazon US, and Amazon Japan. The major categories of modes of shipment for Amazon.com in the US are dropship, split partnered, and postal injection. The number of items in an individual order impacts Amazon.com order fulfillment. The number of items affects shipment because orders are sorted either single item orders or multi item orders. Also, with US operations, the type of products impact over fulfillment and shipment. Large and small items are never shipped together. So, the primary factors Amazon Europe should use to direct the decision making about the EDN network configuration, shipping processes, out of stock items, and customer satisfaction. A new DC hub for Amazon Europe will impact when one bound, inbound, and outbound shipments in updated distribution configuration is needed to support its fast growth goal. And implementation discussion should be based on optimizing demand pattern, inventory, and transportation costs, and Amazon Europe's operation. Using shipment attributes identify the major categories or modes of shipments for Amazon.com in the US. Amazon.com US operation business model is based on sell all carry few. Amazon offers consumers a wide selection of products while keeping inventories at low levels. A major interest for the Amazon in the US is optimization of network, middle of proper, depending on country, deciding on a first or second DC alternative may not be able to address the customization needed to serve a different European areas. Amazon US has found success from optimizing their shipping process uh, due to the fact that there is only one postal services serving the entire nation.